How's it going?
I just had a lot of popcorn.
Well, it's Saturday night, and the feeling's right. Oh, what a night. So it's, oh my god, it's almost 7 o'clock already?
I know.
Ugh. We just got back from shopping about half an hour ago, and I had a little snack before I was waiting for the camera to charge because battery was a little bit low. So we went to only 3 places today. We only went to Target. Target was more of like a sanity thing. Like I just wanted to walk around. I didn't really buy anything at Target except for Impossible burger patties because they were on sale, and some Killer Cola. You got some clippers for the backyard?
Yeah.
To trim the trees. Did you need them, or you just were looking for a replacement?
The ones we have are pretty crappy.
I think you've had them for a long time.
I mean, some of them are held together with duct
Wire?
tape.
Oh, duct tape. That's even worse.
Yeah.
So then after that, we went to Aldi and ShopRite as usual. So at Aldi, we got some usual suspects here. We got crinkle cut French fries. We got our special lettuce. We got refried beans. Why is this so backlit? Refried beans and spicy tomatoes, dark red kidney beans, some raw nuts here for when I make Alfredo or whatever that needs like a sour creamish type sitch. Some gluten-free bread, baby cukes, tofu, and I think there's 2 bags of frozen broccoli down there. Pretty standard. So then we went over to ShopRite, and ShopRite had some interesting things today. It's a sickness. What can I tell you? I can't stop buying the toilet paper when it's on sale. $16.99 for this size of toilet paper, I think is phenomenal. So, like, I don't know what to tell you. And to go along with the toilet paper, they had this, which was basically half price. It was like $1 more than half price. So this was like $8.99 for this. That's incredible. It might have been $8.49. It's incredible. Not the Gentle Plus, like the regular one, was $14.99. It's a no-brainer. So I got that. And when I got that, the cart freaked out because we used the cap cart, and it was like, ugh, put it in, take it out, put it in, take it out. It couldn't make up its mind, so we had to wait extra long at the checkout because when you have a situation like that, they have to review the video from the cart and be like, oh, okay, you're not a thief that we know of, so it's okay. We also got some of Mark's sausages, obviously vegan, because they didn't have them the last time and they were on sale. Sean D got some Captain's wafers because he loves to eat these and he loves to take these in his lunch pail. Like he's going off to work at the construction site or something. They still had the pesto on sale, so I got 2 of these. They had the ranch on sale, so I got one, even though I don't need it right now. They had our favorite live vinegar on sale from California, so we got that. They still had the Barilla Italian pasta for $1.99, so I got 2 of those. They had the Super Firm tofu on sale for $3.19, so I got 2 of these. These are like bricks. They had the Beyond Beef for $6.99, so I got 2 of those. I love the avocado oil. We had the burgers made with the avocado oil, the number 4 revision, and they were so good last night. It really makes a difference. They really improved it. 2 packs of green beans, a janky pack of knishes that were marked down because they're going out of date code. I believe these were $1.99 French fries. This was not on sale, so I only got 1 of those. They only had chocolate milk. I'm only buying the protein milk from now on. The silk protein milk, because it's like almost double the protein. And everybody's catching on to it because everybody's protein crazy right now. So we had to get the chocolate one. Bummer, right? We also got some peanut butter granola for $3.99. Our vegan yellow rice mix. Sean was very excited to get the Reese's cereal because it has Bowser on the front. Now check this out. This cereal was $6 because Bowser's on the box. This package is bigger. This is, let's see, 1 pound, 0.7 ounces. So this is 16.7 ounces. And this is 11.5 ounces. So this is like 50% bigger than this one. And this was $2.99. So I got this to put inside this box when this one's done. The things that you have to do. And I got some unsalted pretzels because I guess I was feeling like my mom. She would always make me get her unsalted things. Sometimes I really like the taste of unsalted pretzels or unsalted chips. It's that cardboard factor. I guess it's an acquired taste of living with somebody who had to be like on a low salt diet because she had high blood pressure. Sometimes you just really like it. I can't explain it. Not all the time, but sometimes you really crave no salt. Because you want that cardboard taste to come through. Right, Sean?
Right.
Sean was excited. He had French fries today as a treat because he didn't have a complete meltdown at the store. And he also got a pack of gum at Target, so he was pretty happy about that too, which he's chewing right now with his mouth open. So that's it. Oh, hi.
Hello, hello. Hello.
Yes, hello. So I hope this is working right now.
Yeah, we're giving the microphones another go for right now.
Well, we didn't try them on this channel yet. We tried them on the crochet video.
And our friends over there were not happy with us about it. They did not like the sound of it. To be fair, we had the settings mixed up, so I think it'll be a lot better moving forward.
Well, I'm pretty sure I have it on the right setting right now.
Good.
Before it was the wrong setting. It wasn't like the microphones were faulty or anything.
No.
It was just me. User error.
User error. It's all good.
Right.
I think it's going to be good.
I hope so.
At least for certain situations.
I hope so, because I don't want to have to deal with, your sound sucks. I liked it before better.
The comments were overwhelmingly negative.
Yeah, it was bad.
Yeah.
But hopefully this will be better. Hopefully this will help with the background noise over here.
I think so.
All right, well, it's Monday again. It rained.
It did.
It didn't really snow.
No, it's just like a few flurries here and there, but not really like...
They said that we were going to get
not really much.
Some sort of a wintry mix, but we really didn't get anything.
No, I think we can all agree we want to be done with that.
Of course we do.
I think so.
Well, I got a lot of work done this weekend, which was shocking.
Good.
Because I didn't think it was going to happen, but it did. But that'll all be on the crochet video tomorrow.
Ooh.
But today...
Yeah, you made some cute stuff.
Thank you. So did you.
Thank you.
So today, we have the birthday shout-out.
Ooh, who you with?
Well, born on this day, March 23rd, is none other than Amber.
Amber, happy birthday.
Amber is Jackie Newberry's daughter.
Mm-hmm.
And she is 36 years old this year.
Happy birthday.
So happy birthday, Amber.
Yeah.
And then we have nothing for Tuesday.
Okay.
For Wednesday, we have, this is an OG.
Oh.
Stephanie Schroeder.
Stephanie, happy birthday.
Mom to a million kids. She had like 6 kids for America. That is a reference to, What was that bunny
Which
movie?
Aldi? I can't remember the name of it.
Something Rabbit.
It's the Taika Waititi
Jojo
movie.
Rabbit.
Yeah. Recipe for Chinese food.
Tofu, broccoli.
Is that what you're making tonight?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Rice. Delicious.
Delicious.
All right. So Stephanie is. If the mic didn't pick that up, he said long noodles.
Oh yeah, I keep forgetting they might not know what we're hearing.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, you went long noodles. Just like that.
Exactly. All right. So Stephanie was 40 in 2025. So that means she is 41.
41.
40 wonderful.
Yes.
Okay.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, happy birthday. And that's it.
Okay.
That was pretty good.
Yeah.
So, what are your plans for tonight?
Well, excuse me. On Mondays, Shanji and I typically will watch Below Deck.
Oh.
I know that Reggie Jenkins is on tonight, but we usually watch it on Tuesdays.
Well, I don't think it comes on until pretty late.
I don't think it's super late, but we usually save it for Tuesdays.
Right.
I'm trying to think. There might be a new episode of that show, Rooster. We watch a lot of TV on Monday nights.
You guys watch a lot of TV, period.
Yeah, we do.
I mean, I get it. That's your entertainment.
Why not?
Oh, by the way, I think I forgot. Did I happen to say, hope you're living your best day, week, month, your lifetime, birthday, happiness?
Can't forget that.
I'm really slacking here.
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. What else you doing?
I mean, just relaxing, have a nice dinner. Yeah, just having a chill
evening?
Chill night. This was Sean's first day back at work after his spring break.
Oh, that's right. He's not on spring break anymore.
He's going to want to be relaxing.
Chillaxing.
Yes, he's also been working a lot on the family campaign for D&D and like fleshing that out. So, yeah, he's been doing that a lot. And
that should be a lot of fun.
It's nice to see he's really in his element when he's doing that.
Well, it's a shame that he's not a full-time
I
dungeon
know,
master.
like a professional DM, which is like a thing now.
I know.
I mean, they got all these podcasts and stuff.
It looks like a lot of fun.
Yeah.
It's like living the dream.
Yeah, I mean, he's really good at it.
Yeah.
So, that's going to be our Monday night, just relaxing.
Mm-hmm.
How about you?
I'm fully expecting the minute I finish dinner, I'm going to fall asleep on the sofa. I'm going to attempt to watch the Jury Duty second season.
Jury Duty Presents.
Right. And that's on, you said Amazon?
It's on Amazon. So we watched the first 3 episodes over the weekend.
Mm-hmm.
We've been waiting for this.
Oh, yeah?
And I have to say, it's off to a really good start. I'm digging it so far.
Nice.
I think it's a good time.
Well, I'm excited for it because why not? There's nothing else on.
Yeah. I mean, it's also a very good show.
Yeah, of course. I really enjoyed the first season of that, so I'm hoping the second season is going to be phenomenal.
I'm not sure if you can fully recapture the magic of the first season just because it was like so different than anything else, and now like this is the second time they're doing it. It's a different premise, of course, but it's really good.
Also, there's so many movies on streaming now. I
know, because they go to streaming faster now than they used to.
I think they do. They used to take like 3 months or whatever, 90 days.
Even more than that, even. No, that's like quick now.
I think it's even quicker than that.
Yeah.
So there's lots of movies on streaming. There's lots of homegrown TV shows on Netflix and whatnot.
Mm-hmm.
Not on Whatnot, because we know what Whatnot is now, don't we? Whatnot, if you didn't know, is an auction site for vintage and collectible items.
My sister is obsessed with it now.
She's obsessed with it. It's on like 24/7.
Yeah. It's like, if you guys are crocheters and you're watching this, it's similar, I would say, to Palm Street.
Right.
Live.
Right. But the prices really aren't outrageous.
I haven't seen any of the auctions. I've just heard about it from Chris.
Well, I hear her listening to them. And last night, for example, she was looking to get a pack of vintage cards that had dog portraits on
really?
Yeah,
cute.
On them. And she set her alarm to wake up to
watch the auction.
And she woke up 2 minutes after they sold.
Brutal.
And they sold for the asking price, so she probably would have gotten them.
Yeah, that's a bummer.
Yeah.
I'm sure she wasn't happy about that.
No, but she said that's okay. There's still other stuff.
I'm sure.
There's always something. There's always something.
Mm-hmm.
So I guess I'm curious to see if this is going to be a pile of crap or...
Like audio-wise?
Yeah.
We're going to find out. Apologies if it's not good. Please bear with us as we try to figure it out.
We're trying so hard. Hopefully we didn't F the whole thing up.
Yeah.
Well, this is kind of a dry run for tomorrow when we do the crochet video as well.
Mm-hmm.
Because I want to make sure that it works for that too. That's just not a fluke.
Yeah.
All right.
You don't want the crocheters to be upset.
No. And they can be kind of grumpy for sure.
All right. Well, thank you everybody so much for watching. We hope you have a great week. We'll see you soon. And until next time, much love. Bye, everybody.